How to Draw Insects by Stephanie Newman of HowExpert Press.
Well, if you want to learn how to draw insects, then get yourself How to Draw Insects by Stephanie Newman. She's also the author of How to Knit Granny Squares. This book takes you in depth into the world of bugs, critters, and insects. While you learn a little about their background and function on this planet, you will study in depth their shape and form. This step-by-step guide teaches you how to draw insects from the first beginning guidelines to the beautifully shaded, realistic-looking end result. This book is a fun study in drawing for young and old alike. Click Add to Cart to get it now.
This extract was read by Ben Freebury and was recorded at Lenny Studios in Kent, UK. You can contact us by email on lenny@lennybun.uk or by telephone +44 7518 237 039.